Determination of heart rate. Heart rate. Heart rate means the number of times the heart beats in 1 minute. Apparatus. Stopwatch. Stethoscope. Procedure. Subject to rest quietly for 5 minutes. Place the diaphragm of the stethoscope over the apex of the heart. Listen carefully. Each heartbeat has 2 sounds, lub-dub or 1 beat. Use a stopwatch to count the number of beats for 60 seconds, or count for 30 seconds and multiply by 2. Record the result in beats per minute. Normal values. Adults, resting, 60 to 100 beats per minute. Athletes, 40 to 60 beats per minute. Children, 100 to 120 beats per minute. Newborns, 120 to 160 beats per minute. Result. The heart rate is normal.
Thank you.